guys, welcome back to Cantonese 𝐏𝐿𝐴 𝐷𝐼. So 3 years ago, I have already posted a video about ghost slang in Cantonese. I think that video has already covered everything that I want to talk about. So today, I just realized, I should repost this video because at that moment, I don't have lots of subscribers. So maybe lots of you haven't watched this video yet. But to show that it's something new, so I just make this intro video. Hope you like this tutorials video. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumb up, okay? First, as a Cantonese, we always talk about ghosts in our daily life. For example, for food, 油炸鬼, 油炸鬼. Have you tried this before? For our lover, we will call them 衰鬼, 衰鬼. Literally means bad person, but here is to show our love and a little bit hatred when they make us angry. 正衰鬼嚟㗎，咁耐都唔打俾人。正衰鬼嚟㗎，咁耐都唔打俾人。Why he doesn't call me after such a long while? Be careful, this one is normally spoken by female. For friends, 老友鬼鬼，老友鬼鬼 ，good friends. 我哋兩個老友鬼鬼，邊有計㗎？我哋兩個老友鬼鬼，邊有計㗎？We are best friends. We share everything. In our daily life, there must be a person who always leads to our boss and flatter to our boss. We could call them 屎忽鬼. 屎忽鬼. 屎忽 literally means butt. 鬼 ghost. 屎忽鬼. Someone who always leads us. 我嘅同事真係屎忽鬼嚟㗎，陣陣都擦老細鞋。我嘅同事真係屎忽鬼嚟㗎，陣陣都擦老細鞋。Our co-worker is a brown nose who always lick our boss' shoes. And for someone who pretends to be rich, 充大頭鬼，充大頭鬼。佢明明今個月冇錢啦，仲充大頭鬼買咁多名牌袋。佢明明今個月冇錢啦，仲充大頭鬼買咁多名牌袋。She does have no money this month, but she still pretend to be rich and buy lots of luxury handbags. And for those illegible handwritings, we call them 鬼畫符。鬼畫符，鬼 ghost 畫 draw 符 symbol。鬼畫符 it literally means it written by the ghost. 寫到鬼畫符咁，點睇得明啊？寫到鬼畫符咁，點睇得明啊？ It written like what ghosts write. How could I understand? And in Cantonese, we also have 孤寒鬼, 孤寒鬼 miser, 為食鬼, 為食鬼 foodie. 你係咪個為食鬼啊？ Are you a foodie? And 吊靴鬼, 吊靴鬼 her means boobs. To describe someone follow around others' shadow. 佢男朋友好似吊靴鬼咁，成日都跟住佢。佢男朋友好似啲吊靴鬼咁，成日都跟住佢。What's more, we can use ghost in our adjective word. For example, 鬼馬 witty. We describe people with lots of idea. 鬼馬 For example, 呢個細路仔好鬼馬㗎，成日氹到啲人好開心。呢個細路仔好鬼馬㗎，成日氹到啲人好開心。This kid is quite smart, who always make people happy. But it could be used to describe people is tricky. For example, 小心啲佢啊，佢好鬼馬㗎。小心啲佢啊，佢好鬼馬㗎。Be careful with her, she is quite cheeky. And we also have 鬼五馬六 鬼五馬六 to describe your unconventional style. For example, if I dye my hair in red, then my parents will say, 你個頭染到鬼五馬六。你個頭染到鬼五馬六。Your dyed hair is very weird. 鬼鼠 sleek. 鬼 and 鼠 Both of them are slicky creature. Then we will use it to describe slicky. 嗰個人鬼鬼祟祟，係咪想偷嘢啊？嗰個人鬼鬼祟祟，係咪想偷嘢啊？ That person is slicky. Does he want to steal something? We also use 鬼 to emphasize the fact with adverb of degrees. The structure will be adverb of degree plus 鬼 plus adjective. 嗰件衫真係好鬼靚啊，好想買啊！嗰件衫真係好鬼靚啊，好想買啊！ That clothes is quite pretty. I want to buy it. 你間房好鬼污糟啊！你間房好鬼污糟啊！ Your room is quite messy or quite dirty. And 鬼 could also be parentheses to emphasize our feelings. For example, 邊鬼個冇關門啊？邊鬼個冇關門啊？ Who didn't close the door? 又要我幫手，真係麻鬼煩啊！又叫我幫手，真係麻鬼煩啊 ！Ask for my help again? What a troublesome 鬼 plus verb structure is quite typical too. It means who in the sentence. For example, 鬼叫你唔聽我話，鬼叫你唔聽我話。Who tells you don't listen to me? It means you should have listened to me before. It could also follow the first character of the adjective verbs to express the negative feelings. For example, 嗰部戲好鬼睇啊，悶到死。嗰部戲好鬼睇啊，悶到死。So 好鬼睇 is not good to see. That film is not good. So boring. 鬼 could also be used to break the verb and long structure to express the negative facts. For example, 我理鬼佢啊，我理鬼佢啊。I don't care about him, or I ignore him. 我出軌去啊，咁夜咯。我出軌去啊，都咁夜咯。I won't go out. It's quite late. Wow, we have learned different kinds of ghosts today. I hope that so far you still enjoy it. We also have some slangs like 鬼整啊，鬼整啊 literally means ghost made it. Somehow your desk is messy after you come back from lunch. Maybe your coworker make it and you want to complain about it. Then you could say 鬼整咯，張台亂晒啦。Oh my god, the desk is messy. Or you meet something quite surprised. You say 搞乜鬼啊？搞乜鬼啊？ What's going on? Okay, so after today's video, I hope that you think Cantonese is quite 盞鬼 interesting. I hope that you could like today's video and share with your scared friends and teach them such funny facts about ghosts in Cantonese. I love you guys, and if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Go Chinese with 𝐔𝐿𝐼, and see you soon. Bye bye.
職業，我係識表演魔術嘅小丑，我要影到最靚嘅瞬間啊！我想畫一個人，我識整世界上最好食嘅麵包，我嘅實驗就嚟成功啦！科學家，我喺度設計緊一張海報。